Changing your primary email on Netvibes is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Login. Access your Netvibes account by entering your current email and password on the login page. Step 2. Go to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled email or contact information. Click on it to view your current primary email address. Step 4. Update your email. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Netvibes will be changed. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages to finalize the process.